Alright guys, welcome to web design series, and talking to you right now, still your guy Big Tank now from Double South, so you nice to be. So this web design series now, what we want to be say, we want learn how to design website from scratch. You get everything we're involved to create websites, right from the HTML to the CSS and to the JavaScript part. We'll go design, and then after this first series now, which is the front end part, now we'll go enter like the back end, which is PHP and the rest now. But for now, more focus on one part, which is HTML. So I just want to bear in mind, say by the end of this web design series, after we don't learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript now, what we'll go fit do be say we'll fit create website fresh like this. You see how this website being on now Wikipedia. If you create something fresh like this, but more not to rush ourselves. So more start with HTML. You get so right away now. What will be HTML? Some of now go feed our session before based on say on other they try to learn web design on our own. Then you know some of this so you be web like say they online and their grammar the big well. So I don't talk and say okay, the way they be now so my run and one can make a break and down. One I go fit understand. So it will be HTML. Now HTML are very simple. Hypertext markup language. You get. So HTML now is just the basic language where they do the structure websites. Behind every website you must see HTML. Just like the way they say behind every successful man there's a woman. HTML is the babe of the website, you get. And as if you're not correct the article can share bet, your reason are like that. Because they cannot leave each other. You're not given websites where you know see HTML. All these websites you see, so anything, all those one are the browse, Facebook, Twitter, not be Instagram app, Facebook, Twitter websites, you get Facebook website, all of them like that. So HTML now it write everything, you get. All these text where you see now, so all the markup, HTML now the structure. So HTML are just markup language where they do the structure websites. You know pass so. You know hard, now very easy to. We not even spend much time for inside. Say, better say what you inside to learn and not plenty like that. And as we go now, we learn new things for inside. You get. So if you see how the structure of this system, see all these different sections, the maybe like see the structure over here now. So HTML now they make the defeat the structure around. HTML go make if you structure this way this now. See some kind of place like see they make some kind of text they bold for here now. See the way this place now, all these now headings now. All of them are HTML now it is structure around. You get. See all this is will be like small bullets and will be like list for here now. So all of them are HTML now it is structure around. And after the dot structure with HTML finish now, you can see called the fresh like this now. So now CSS now they call it still doing now. CSS now cascading style sheet. One winter CSS now talk more of CSS. Then JavaScript not good outside now say because JavaScript not be beans, but I can make a be like beans for an amount shop. You get. So if you see now, if I cancel this one come out now, you see how that thing vanish come out for them now. So now something like JavaScript now it run that thing. So I go show now how this in the work little bit. Right now, more dive into HTML. So, you know, just the small introduction we're giving her like this. So the next video now, we'll go enter inside HTML direct. Thank you. So if you like this video, just subscribe so that more videos will come your way. Still your guy Big Tank from Double South.